Lakshya. Today we are going to demonstrate the process of seed germination. For this process, we need 3 transparent containers, healthy seeds of fenugreek, mustard, green gram, some water and tissue papers. For seed germination, we should select the healthy seeds. After selecting the seeds, we should soak the seeds in water for 2 to 3 hours. Now I am going to soak only the green gram seeds in water. I am not going to soak the mustard and fenugreek seeds in water. Now I am going to spread the tissue paper in the container. Now I am going to add the seeds in the container. Now sprinkle the water. Next, cover the containers with the tissue paper. In day 1, the healthy seeds of fenugreek, mustard and green gram have got some growth. For a seed to germinate, it requires air, moisture and warmth. The seed absorbs the water from the soil. This softens the seed coat. Next, the small root or radicle emerges from the seed and grows downwards, and a small shoot or plumule grows upwards. The baby plant uses the food stored in cotyledons for its growth until the new leaf appears on the shoot. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.